Hey friends, I hope y'all are having a fantastic day today. If you're new here, my name's Alicia and today's video is part of the Pumpkin Palooza collaboration hosted by Andrea from Digging for Health. I will have the playlist and her channel linked in the description box for y'all. Today we are making pumpkin pie waffles. You're going to start out with 2 cups of flour. I used about 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is optional, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla, about a tablespoon and a half of apple cider vinegar, and then I'm going to add 1 egg, half a cup of pumpkin. I also end up later adding in about a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon, and then you just want to add water until you get to the waffle or pancake batter of your liking. You just need it to be as thick or as thin as you want it. You can even thin it out enough probably to make crepes. I don't really have an exact measurement to that. It all depends on what I put in it. If I only use, if I don't put egg or like pumpkin or banana in these, then it takes more water. But if I, add all those things, then it takes less water. I would say I probably used about 1.5 cups of water. And then there's the cinnamon, and then we're just going to bake these in the waffle iron. You could also make them into pancakes or even into sheet tray pancakes. Those are really good. You could also add chocolate chips or nuts or raisins or craisins. And these are really good. Here's what they look like whenever they were done cooking. We topped ours with some whipped cream to make them even more like a pumpkin pie waffle, and they were really good and easy. Don't forget that Jesus loves y'all and I love y'all too. I'll see you soon. Bye!